Cossipur Vidhan Sabha constituency. Cossipur Vidhan Sabha constituency was an assembly constituency in Kolkata district in the Indian state of West Bengal. Overview. Overview. As a consequence of the orders of the Delimitation Commission, Cossipur Vidhan Sabha constituency ceases to exist from 2011. It was part of Calcutta North West Lok Sabha constituency. Members of Legislative Assembly. Results 1977–2009. In the 2006 and 2001 State Assembly elections, Tarak Bandapatiya representing Trinamool Congress won the 140 Cossipur Assembly seat, defeating Salo Chatterjee of CPIM and Ajoy Bhattacharjee of CPIM respectively. In 1996, Tarak Bandapatiya representing Congress defeated Anup Das of CPIM. Deepak Chanda of CPIM defeated Prafulla Kanti Ghosh of Congress in 1991 and 1987. In 1982, Prafulla Kanti Ghosh of Congress defeated Budeta Bhattacharya of CPIM. In 1977, Budeta Bhattacharya of CPIM defeated Prafulla Kanti Ghosh of Congress. 1951–1972. The Cossipur seat was won by Prafulla Kanti Ghosh of Congress defeating his nearest rival Parshnath Banerjee of CPIM in 1972 and Krishna Gopal Basu of CPIM in 1971. Vishnu Gopal Basu of CPIM defeated Sushil Kumar Paul of Congress in 1969. S.K. Roy of Congress defeated P. Dasgupta of CPIM in 1967. Sunil Kumar Dasgupta of Congress won in 1962, defeating Mohit Kumar Moitra of CPIM. Deben Sen of PSP won in 1957, defeating Biswanath Roy of Congress. Biswanath Roy of Congress won in independent India's first general election in 1951, defeating Jyotirmoy Sharma of CPI. References